Hey guys, we're going to be making a paper boat, and it's not going to be small paper boat. It's going to be a big one like this one. Guys, this is a model I made before. And first you need a piece of paper. Then just take it and just fold it like this. Look, you see guys? Do fold it just like this. And guys, if you see a triangle, make the triangle not over here where these parts are like open. Make the triangle where this part is closed, not the part that's open. And if you are so good at making triangles and you want to make your boat very a little bit, just you want to make your boat good, then you just make the side equal. You couldn't do anyway, but it will still be good if you do the other way and if you do the other way. Then guys, I told you we would try to make, if you can make these triangles equal. Then just get this piece and just fold it this way. Look, now you see it's kind of like a boat. And then just fold it this way. Guys, you see, now it is a boat. But guys, we're not trying to make a boat like that. Then you just get this and just do this. And there we go, you get a shape that is like a diamond. Then just fold this way for like this thing happen, and then turn around and fold this that way. Then you see this, just fold it like that and open it, and you get your paper boat. And if you guys want to make a smaller paper boat, just do this and open it, and just open it, and you get your small boat. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye guys, see you next time. And if you want to watch my paper how to make a paper claw and how to make a paper airplane, please go and watch those two of mine. Bye guys.